Most people use ChatGPT like Google. They ask short questions and expect perfect answers. The problem is often not the AI. The instruction is just too vague. Give ChatGPT or Codex a role, context, a clear task, and the output format you want. A better prompt gives a role, clear goal, and expected answer format. For Codex, explain the order of work, update Swagger JSON, regenerate models, then wire the backend changes. AI can accelerate coding, debugging, documentation, emails, learning, and architecture. Use it to empower every part of your workflow. Remember, treat AI like a team member, not a search box. The better your instruction, the better the result. Want more tips for developer productivity? Subscribe now for the latest AI insights.